How's it going, appetisers, and welcome back. I think we're on update 5? 4 or 5. But we're getting things in. Progress is happening. We've even got gas pipe down there. That comes from in there. We're looking good. So that's today's update. These are only short videos, just while we're getting things in. First video will come not long after the kitchen is done. But if you want to keep up to date with the kitchen rebuild, don't forget to drop this video a like, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a good day.